Neuraltext I Business Pricing explained what you get for your money. Neuraltext I is more than just an writing assistant. Most people get this wrong, thinking it's only for simple text generation. The business plan is built for teams and agencies that need automated content creation, SEO optimization, and workflow tools in one platform. Pricing starts at per month for the business plan, which includes unlimited content generation, multiple user accounts, and API access. Teams can create blog posts, ad copy, social media content, and email campaigns quickly. One key feature is the SEO Research Assistant, which analyzes competitor content and generates keyword-focused suggestions to improve rankings. Collaboration is seamless. Users can assign tasks, leave comments, and track project progress within Neuraltext. Analytics dashboards show engagement metrics and content performance, helping teams refine strategies over time. For example, a marketing team could produce optimized blog posts for multiple clients while monitoring keyword performance and traffic growth in real time. Additional perks include integration with Google Docs and WordPress, automated workflows, and priority support for business plan users. This ensures teams can scale content production without compromising quality or consistency. In conclusion, Neuraltext I Business Pricing reflects a comprehensive platform for teams focused on high-volume, SEO-driven content creation. Investing in this plan allows businesses to automate writing, collaborate efficiently, and drive measurable marketing results.